Yesterday, guys, we were buying this, but I clearly mentioned that I was in a mood to sell, but I needed the break below. And once we got that break below, we would have a double top, which I also clearly mentioned, and we would go on to hit a target, which is located at 1.34754. And as you guys can see, guys, we broke below the wedge of the double top. Once we did that, guys, we had a move directly hitting a target, and after hitting it, the price came back up again because the target was hit. People took profit, and hence the market came up back up again. And after that, guys, the market went down once again. So the question remains: what are we going to do today, guys? For today, guys, it's clear. As long as guys we are below 1.34921, guys, we are bearish. And my two targets are, guys, the first one would be 1.34612, and guys, my next target would be 1.34365. And guys, I would always start buying if we break above 1.35021. And if we do so, guys, my first target would be 1.355253. And guys, my next target would be 1.35460. So it it does look like, guys, it's becoming bullish, but we need to understand, we need confirmation before entering buys. I could enter buy here right now. But that is good. But I don't know if it's going to reverse. Most of the time it will continue. Some of the times it will reverse. It will give me good money, and it will boost my ego, because counter trend trading boosts your ego a lot. It helps you understand. It makes you understand that, look, you identify the top and the bottom. You said the price would fall and the price fell. It boosts your ego, but it is not good for consistently making money in trading. So I hope you guys understand that. Anyways, guys, wishing you guys the best of luck, uh, and see you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys make money.